Hi guys, me here, and today I'm going to be building a Lego rocket ship. Yeah, I'm on holiday, so I'll just put the camera here. Hope you can see me. Flip this over. Can you see me? I hope you can, sorry if you can't. Is this one number one? Okay, yep, this is number one. So first got to create the characters. Got to put the heads on. I'm creating life. Okay. So I'm going to put this on. You can hear the background, sorry. Sorry about the background. Cool. Okay. I just got to put this on right here to this. This is my brother Oliver. This is the one from the Minecraft Let's Play. Oliver. Okay. So yeah, you'll see him in a different room.
I'm just going into the pool, okay? Just going in the pool.
I know, Oliver. So you'll see me in a different room because I'm on holiday. Okay. Is this the right? Yeah, this is number one. So that. Oh, that's what I need. I thought there was a bit. So, put this here. There. Okay. Okay. Like this. And finally, this. Now moving on to this. So I'll put right here. So it looks like that right now. So yeah, sorry if you can't see. Okay. There's a few mistakes, sorry. So yeah, my brother, my sister, probably fractured my, thumb. It hurts. I can move it still, thank God, but it just isn't in the right position. Still hurts. it was from last night. So just be doing this. Now the last bit of those dish. Now I need this. Now I need should be a bit of that here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Which way does this go? So this goes like this, and there's another piece that goes like this. Wait. So yeah, you'll see I'm using this thumb because when this is the one that I probably fractured. Ow. There. For Lego, your teeth are the best to get bits out, or it's either that or something else. So that and that. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. I'm trying to be as quick as I can. Okay, if you are bored, I'll just be as quick as I can. So you get that. So I'll need this and this and this. And I'll need this and this. Yeah, that's still recording. Wait, it's been going for 8 minutes. So yeah, there'll be a part 2 of this. Bye.